I'm back here in my office and I am doing some cleaning and curating on some vintage Harrison filters from the 1980s. These are 4" by 5.65 filters that were designed to be used with the motion picture cameras of the day. And when I say curating, some of these have fungus and other blemishes, issues, etc. that might make them, in some cases, definitely makes them unusable. And in other cases, like this one, which has some sort of blemishes, I'm not sure how it will affect the image. I'm sure that what I'm seeing on little spots from separation or whatever it is probably will affect the image, but I have not put them on camera to find out yet. So forthcoming, I should be having some videos on how these filters perform on a modern day digital camera.